ceramic coatings. Take 1. A ceramic coating is a mixture of nanostructured A ceramic coating is a mixture of Ceramic coatings are a mixture of nanostructured silicon compounds capable to bond to paint, plastic, or glass. Ceramic coatings will protect those surfaces against chemical and UV degradation, and also ceramic coatings have the potential of increasing the scratch resistance of a surface. Put in fewer words, ceramic coatings are chemical magic. Different manufacturers have different products. One of the biggest names in this type of chemical world is GTECHNIQ. After buying the ceramic coating for the motorcycle, I ended up applying it also on my car. And now, because I got a new motorcycle helmet, the plan is to apply ceramic coatings on the new motorcycle helmet. To prepare the surface, we need to properly clean it and degrease it. Ideally, whenever you're trying to use this type of product, a ceramic coating, it is highly recommended to use all the chemicals recommended from the same manufacturer. Sometimes the cleaner and the ceramic coating might not be compatible, so your best bet is to use a system from start to finish. The guys from GTECHNIQ have their panel wipe, and in my case I will be using 2 ceramic coatings. The base will be this GTECHNIQ EXO, and on top of it Crystal Light Serum. This is the posh way of doing it. I've already done it on my car. The process is offering nice results, and because I still had the chemicals, I'm going and doing the same thing on the motorcycle helmet. A ceramic coating every day can make you more beautiful. First step of the steps. I will be removing the visor first to make sure. Whoopsie. Each and every time when I'm removing the visor on this helmet, I'm panicking. Oop. It feels like I'm scratching it or something bad is happening. We have the helmet without the visor. Time to apply the panel wipe. After I will apply the panel wipe, we clean it with a decent microfiber. All of these microfibers are new. Once they will be used, because we're applying those chemicals with the ceramic coatings, they will be disposed of. Also, should you be using a ceramic coating that has been previously opened, inspect the inside of the bottle to make sure that the content hasn't crystallized and you're not inflicting scratches to the surfaces. Let's place a bit of this panel wipe on the microfiber, and we clean the surfaces. When doing this, make sure that you are wearing gloves so that you're not putting additional grease or other stuff. I will be going and removing the sticker with the weight. For some reason, I would have been better off leaving that sticker on. This bit of the sticker wasn't the best interaction that I had with the motorcycle helmet. This sticker wants to make my life harder. This panel wipe is quite powerful stuff. So should you have any greasy bits, should you have anything like glue or other stuff, it is able to do quite a good job. Back to our video. At first, I'm avoiding applying the panel wipe and the ceramic coating on the visor. I will try to do it, and I will try to see how the panel wipe interacts with our iridium coating, and I'll try it just on one of the sides to see if it's not removing it. So by the looks of it, it's still okay. So I'm gonna chance it, and I will try to apply the ceramic coating on the iridium visor at the same time. So this means we are going to degrease the visor too. By the looks of it, when inspecting it after applying the panel wipe, it seemed that everything is exactly as it should be. It wasn't too aggressive, so we can say that the panel wipe from GTECHNIQ and the original visor from Shoei, even if it has the iridium finish on it, are compatible. This was the microfiber with the panel wipe. I'm setting it to one of the sides, a different color for the microfiber. Usually I do this little bit to make sure that we don't have any residue, plastic bits, small little rocks to scratch the surfaces. We buff everything, because if we have something on the paint, on the finish, that will get sealed by our ceramic coating. First layer, this is the product, followed by EXO. We inspect our bottle, we make sure that we don't have any crystallized content. We will be using a pipette to take the content and apply it on our Shoei applicator. We try to apply it on the big surfaces. We make sure to pay attention where we have applied it. On a vehicle, on a bigger surface, it's easier to see where and how you applied it. I'm trying to have a system in which I'm not missing any surface. I am going to start buffing it a little bit earlier. I'm just making sure that there is nothing left unbuffed. This will be the application of the ceramic coating on the visor. Until now, nothing bad has happened to the visor. So we can say that the GTECH products, the ceramic coating, the panel wipe, are safe to be used on the iridium visors, the Shoei ones. We will be allowing 2 or 3 hours to pass, and after that we will continue with a second layer. Although in theory we should be waiting only 3 hours, I've waited 24 hours. Now you see me with a fresh haircut, new clothes. We are going to apply the final layer of EXO to the motorcycle helmet and also to the visor. Same type of process. We ensure that the motorcycle helmet is clean, also on the visor. Straight away after applying the ceramic coatings, I'm able to feel that all the surfaces are very slippery. You will see me struggling to get the right grip to do the stuff. I look into the bottle to make sure that we don't have any solid pieces of glass, something that could scratch our finish. This one, by the looks of it, has a dripper unit. This means that I will not be using the pipette. And we start applying it. Try to make sure that you cover all the surfaces, and ideally you should be addressing each surface with 2 different types of movements. So up and down, left and right. One interesting trick would be to hold the applicator with only one of the hands and place the chemical only on this side, so that one of the hands is completely clean and you can place it inside the motorcycle helmet. And that will allow us a bit more movement, a little bit more freedom to apply the chemical. And for the visor, I will be removing the glove to have a better grip. So left and right, up and down. And at this point, we finished with our applicator. Seal the ceramic coating and get ready to buff the motorcycle helmet first, and after that the visor. At this point in time, we can consider that the motorcycle helmet has been protected with the ceramic coating. Some users of this type of product are using 2 layers of this EXO. In my opinion, it is overkill to place the 2 layers. 1 layer of crystal serum light and 1 layer of EXO should be more than enough. I would pay specific attention to this type of surface, so that, and where 2 different types of materials are joining one each other. That is usually where the ceramic coating can build up, and if we don't buff it right now, it will leave a mark. I am inspecting it one more time in the light, and it is looking amazing. And we can say that the motorcycle helmet and the visor are ceramic coated. I hope that this video helps. Links to the products that I've used will be somewhere in the description. What I can confirm is that GTECHNIQ ceramic coatings are compatible with the Iridium visor. I don't see any spotting, I don't see any blemishes. I had absolutely no problems in applying it. We're gonna see how it holds up in the following months when I will be taking the helmet outside. Based on the experience that I had with these products on my vehicle, I'm really confident that there will be a good protection layer for the helmet and the visor. This being said, see you in the next video.